This dance is called Mexican Girl. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, beginner stroke intermediate level line dance. Starting on our right foot. Step the right to the side, step the left beside the right. Chassé to the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, side, close, side. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight back on the right. Chassé to the left, but with a quarter turn on the end. So again, 1 and 2 count timing steps, side, close, turn. Remember to turn your body, don't just twist it. So that set of steps once more then. Side close off on the right. 7, 8. Side close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Shuffle forward on the right. 1 and 2 count timing steps, right, close, right. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on the right. Shuffle back on the left, again 1 and 2 count timing steps, back, close, back. So that set of steps once more then. Walking forward up on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Side close chassé off on the right. 7, 8. Side close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle. Now you're going to angle yourself to the diagonals now. So we're going to start off with the 7:30 diagonal, which is where we're facing, to the left. As you rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Go forward with a step, lock, step. 1 and 2 count timing steps, step right forward, lock left behind right, step right forward. You're now going to angle yourself to the 10:30 diagonals. You rock back on your left, recover the weight on the right, go forward again, step, lock, step. 1 and 2 count timings, step left forward, lock right behind left, step left forward. So that set of steps once more then. Rocking back on the right to the diagonal. 7, 8. Back, rock, step, lock, step. Back, rock, step, lock, step. Let's add that to the top. Side close, off on the right. 7, 8. Side close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, lock, step, back rock, step, lock, step. Rock to the side on the right as you square yourself up to 9 o'clock. Recover the weight on your left. Say the step, 1 and 2 count timing steps, crossing right behind left, left to side, right to side. You'll say the step. Turn a quarter left as you rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, and go forward on the left shuffle, 1 and 2 count timing, left, close, left. So that set of steps once more then. Side rock, squaring ourselves up to 9 o'clock. 7, 8. Side rock, sailor step, rock, turn, left shuffle. End of dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Side close chassé up on the right. 7, 8. Side close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, lock, step, back rock, step, lock, step, side rock, sailor, turn, step, turn, rock, left shuffle. So that is your dance. I will go through it now with the counts. Cyclo chasse off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it is a 2-wall dance. Let's have a go out the back wall. We'll keep going when we get to the front so you can see how the walls join each other. Cyclo chasse off on the right. 7, 8. Side, close, right chasse, cross, rock, chasse, turn, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back, rock, step, lock, step, back, rock, step, lock, step, side rock, sailor step, turn, rock, left shuffle, side, close, right chasse, cross, rock, chasse, turn, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back, rock, step, lock, step, back, rock, step, lock, step, side rock, sailor step, turn, rock, left shuffle. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Right chasse, cross, rock, chasse, turn, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, lock, step, back rock, step, lock, step, side rock, sailor step, turn, rock, left shuffle, side close, right chasse, cross, rock, chasse, turn, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, lock, step, back rock, step, lock, step, side rock, sailor turn, turn, rock, side close, rock chasse, cross, rock, chasse, turn, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, lock, step, back rock, step, lock, step, side rock, sailor step, turn, rock, left shuffle, side close, right chasse, cross, rock, chasse, turn, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, lock, step, back rock, step, lock, step, side rock, sailor step, turn, rock, left shuffle, side close. Walk, back rock, side rock, side close, walk, back rock, side rock.
You're my Mexican girl. I'm gonna shout it from the top of the world. Wanna kiss you and hold you so tight. Wanna make love till the morning. Say you'll always be my Mexican girl. Heart's on fire and my head's in the world. Ask me to listen till the moment is bright. Be my baby tonight.